Hey guys, in this video we will talk about the new wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation. This is COUMI ANC-860. As I already said, the main features of these earbuds is ANC, but also they have transparency mode, IPX7 water resistance, 12.5mm large drivers, USB Type-C charging port, etc. The price of COUMI ANC-860 on Amazon is $56. You know, the earbuds have very interesting design. This is one of the main reasons why I decided to review them. So let's start with unboxing and then talk about design, sound quality, battery and other important things. I have received COUMI ANC-860 earbuds in this box. On the back of the box we can see main features of them, as well as technical specification. Inside the box there's a charging case with earbuds inside, and another small box with accessories, such as 5 pair of extra ear tips, USB Type-C charging cable and user manual. I think that extra ear tips are must-have for any earbuds. In this way you can choose the right size for you for maximum comfort. You know, the charging case of COUMI ANC-860 is not compact. It is 60 by 60 by 30mm. The weight with earbuds inside is 70 grams. On the top there's only company logo, while on the bottom you can find a battery capacity of charging case, 720 mAh. USB Type-C charging port is on the back. The charging case also has a leather strap. To be honest, I don't really like it, and I have tried to take it off, but failed. It seems that the only way to take this strap off is to cut it off. Inside the case we can see the left and right earbuds. Let's look at them closer. As I said before, COUMI ANC-860 has quite an unusual design. The earbuds stick out a little from the ears, but they are comfortable enough. There are removable ear tips, so it is better to choose the right size for you for comfortable fit. You can also see 4 charging contacts on the inside. On the outside there are LED indicator, touch control button and company logo. The manufacturer says that each earbud is equipped with 3 microphones. In total there are 6 microphones. What else can I say about COUMI ANC-860 earbuds? I forgot to tell you that they are IPX7 Waterproof. The earbuds are not only sweat-proof, but also they do not afraid of water and rain. COUMI ANC-860 earbud use the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology for connection with mobile devices. You just need to take the earbuds out of charging case, go to Bluetooth settings on your phone and choose COUMI ANC-860. That's all. By the way, the left and right earbuds are connected separately, so you can use a single earbud or together. Using COUMI ANC-860 earbuds, you can control everything, for example, play pause with a double tap on the right earbud, play previous or next song with a long press for about 2 seconds on the left or right earbud, volume up and down with a single tap, and others. One of the main features of these earbuds is ANC. You can activate this mode with double tap on the left earphone. The next double tap on the same earbud activates transparency mode. If you want a normal mode, then double tap on the left earbud again. You know, COUMI ANC-860 have really large drivers of 12.5mm. They provide a good, deep bass. Perhaps the bass is even slightly higher than I would like. Anyway, if you like to listen bass songs, then you definitely like these earbuds. As for active noise cancellation, it really works. ANC mode really removes most of the noise, and the sound even gets a little better. In general, I like the sound quality of these budget earbuds. The next feature of COUMI ANC-860 earbuds is battery life. As you can see, the earbuds are not very compact, as well as charging case. It means that they have much longer battery life than many other more compact earbuds. Using COUMI ANC-860 earbuds, you can listen to music for 5.5 hours with ANC on and about 7.5 hours with ANC off. The total battery life with charging case is up to 41 hours. The earbuds have very long battery life, do you agree? So the main features of COUMI ANC-860 earbuds are unusual design, long battery life, different control options, including volume control, and good sound quality with active noise cancellation. What else do you need from budget earbuds? Among the drawbacks, I see only pretty big size earbuds and charging case. However, these drawbacks provide very good battery life. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, hit the like button. See you soon!